Jumping over ramps is one of the most exhilarating aspects of winter sports. The moment of takeoff offers a brief sense of weightlessness, a feeling of flying that is enhanced by spins, flips, and grabs in midair. The real challenge, however, lies in achieving the perfect takeoff and landing with precision. For many athletes, these jumps provide a powerful adrenaline rush. Each trick demands focus, courage, and skill, pushing the limits of what is physically possible. It's not just about performing bigger and better stunts. It's about refining technique, control, and confidence. FPV drones play a crucial role in capturing these aerial feats. They follow the athletes in real time, providing immersive, dynamic perspectives that highlight the speed and complexity of each movement. Slow-motion footage further enhances the visual experience, revealing the intricate details of spins and landings while creating a floating sensation for the viewer. Despite the intensity of these maneuvers, safety remains a top priority. Professional drone pilots ensure that they maintain safe distances from the athletes, minimizing any risk of collisions while still delivering stunning footage. In the end, jumps over ramps may only last a few seconds, but their impact is unforgettable. They combine thrill, technique, and artistic expression, making them one of the most exciting elements of snowboarding and skiing. With advanced filming techniques, these moments are captured in a way that allows everyone to experience the pure joy and adrenaline of soaring through the air.